Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Wagyu beef is renowned for its tenderness and rich flavor, not chewiness. Its unique texture comes from intense marbling, which melts into the meat when cooked, creating a buttery softness. To ensure the best experience, cook Wagyu over low to medium heat and avoid overcooking, which can lead to toughness.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.